Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $1,000 emergency? Imagine the stress of facing an unexpected expense without any financial cushion. Today, we're going to show you how to build an emergency fund to protect yourself from these situations. Welcome to WealthWorks. We're thrilled to have you here. In this video, we're diving into the importance of an emergency fund. An emergency fund is essentially a savings buffer designed to cover unexpected expenses like medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. It acts as a financial safety net, ensuring that you can handle these situations without derailing your finances or resorting to high-interest debt. Building this fund is a cornerstone of financial stability and peace of mind. Without it, even minor financial disruptions can become major setbacks. Let's talk about why having an emergency fund is so crucial. Many people face financial challenges that can be compounded by sudden, unexpected costs. For instance, a medical emergency can lead to substantial medical bills, or an unexpected car repair can put a strain on your budget. Without an emergency fund, these types of expenses can force you to dip into savings meant for other goals, or worse, go into debt. According to recent studies, about 40% of Americans would struggle to cover an emergency expense of just $400. This highlights a significant financial vulnerability. Building an emergency fund helps mitigate these risks by providing a financial buffer that can absorb such shocks without disrupting your financial stability. Now let's break down the process of building your emergency fund. Set a savings goal. The first step is to determine how much you need. Financial experts recommend having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved. This should cover essential expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Start by calculating your average monthly expenses to set a realistic savings target. Create a budget. Incorporate your savings goal into your budget. Allocate a portion of your monthly income specifically for your emergency fund. You might use the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Adjust these percentages to ensure you're consistently contributing to your emergency fund. Open a separate account. To avoid the temptation of using your emergency fund for non-emergencies, open a separate savings account. Choose an account with no fees and easy access. This keeps your emergency fund separate from your everyday spending and helps you track its growth more easily. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund account. Automating your savings ensures that you regularly contribute to your fund without having to think about it. This consistency is key to building your fund steadily over time. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your emergency fund to ensure it remains adequate. Life changes, such as a new job or a significant expense, may require you to adjust your savings goal. Periodically reassess your budget and contributions to keep your fund aligned with your financial situation. Having an emergency fund provides numerous benefits. First and foremost, it gives you peace of mind, knowing that you have a financial cushion to fall back on. This can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, especially during times of crisis. It also provides financial freedom by allowing you to handle unexpected expenses without derailing your long-term financial goals. Instead of worrying about how to pay for an emergency, you can focus on resolving the issue at hand. Additionally, an emergency fund helps you avoid high-interest debt, such as credit card balances or payday loans, which can compound quickly and lead to financial hardship. In essence, an emergency fund is your financial safety net, enabling you to navigate life's uncertainties with confidence. To summarize, building an emergency fund involves setting a savings goal, creating a budget, opening a separate account, automating your savings, and monitoring your progress. It's a crucial step in achieving financial security and ensuring that you're prepared for life's unexpected events. Start building your emergency fund today to protect your financial future and gain peace of mind. Comment below with your savings goals or any questions you have about building an emergency fund. And be sure to check out our previous video on budgeting tips for more valuable financial guidance. Don't forget to subscribe to WealthWorks for all the latest tips and strategies to enhance your financial well-being.